Hey guys, welcome to Daily Miata,
Daily Miata.
where we show you today how to fix a sticky throttle cable. No one likes a sticky throttle cable. Right, let's get on with the job. Sweet. That's how you fix a sticky throttle cable.
So what are the steps to fixing a sticky throttle?
So, we need to find the throttle cable, then we need to blast it with CRC. Alright, let's get this little for the boys. Oh shit. Look at all this corrosion.
So when you're going from first gear to crack 80 kilometers per hour, you want to be as fast as possible. So you want to be able to really slam it. Like you don't really care about the clutch. You don't clutch. You just slam the throttle, and you'll instantly go to 80 kilometers in a Miata.
Sweet man.
Yeah.
And we generally like to use the brake. Never. So
That's not a brake.
So what?
It's actually the horn. So if I can.
Shit, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so what we've done here is we've actually deactivated the brake. We found we actually never needed it.
Because the car doesn't go fast enough to need a brake.
No, what do you mean? It goes so fast, you don't need a brake. Genius.